Hello and welcome. How are you all? My name is Kamini, and today we'll see what's coming for everyone. The numerological 1 to 9, we will see what's there. Okay, this is for the rest of the year. Let's see whatever we thought in this year, have we able to do it, or we still have some goals to do. Let's see what's coming further. So we'll start with number 1. Okay, number 1, people 10, 19, 28. These people who are having their number coming as 1. Let's see what's coming for the rest of the year for you. Okay, this could be a general reading. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this is a card. This could be the card for number 1 people. Okay, you just see. This card is not very favorable. Okay, you might just have to be very careful with people who may be manipulative towards you. Okay, they could be people who are just looking out for some way to be manipulative with you, or maybe not be very truthful towards you. Okay, this could be coming for some of you. Okay, so you need to take care of this. Okay, the rest of the year. Number 2, let's see what's coming. People who are in number 2, and your day of birth which is coming in 2. Let's see what is coming for you. Like 2, 11, where you have 2 coming, and you have 20. Okay, again 2 is coming. So some changes can come for you in this for the rest of the month. Okay, you can have this the world card coming, where you will find changes coming. You might make the changes, so things will change drastically for you. A new cycle will start, or you might be in the same cycle. You might just go round and round, or you might also find some changes coming in the next few months of this year. Okay, this could be mostly for the signs which you can see. You have the Aquarius, Scorpio. Okay, the fixed signs. Okay, this could be more prevalent for them, or this could be the changes coming for many of you. Okay, this could be like you will keep on changing, your cycles will keep on changing. Okay, maybe events will come, they will change your life. Maybe you will change certain events of your life. Okay, this could come. It could be big changes coming, it could be small changes, but definitely the rest of the month will be a changing month for you. The third is the for 3 people. Okay, 3 and 12 in this type of numbers. Okay, let's see what's coming for you. This card is coming for you, the Chariot card. This is a very positive card. You'll keep on moving. Okay, whatever you will do, you will complete and you will move on. So this is a very flowing card for you. Okay, many of you might buy some vehicle also. This could be something which will be there in your mind, and you might accomplish buying something. Okay, a vehicle or something like that. And let's see what is coming for number 4. Again 4, 13, and 22. The numbers where the 4 is there. Okay, the day numbers, I would say. Okay, the day of birth. Number 4, what is coming for you? Again, thought process, work process. You might not take many steps in your work life, or you might just think about the work profile. Okay, but again things will not be maybe you'll have to take some steps forward for the things you want to do. Okay, so this will be for the number 4 people. Let's see for 5 people. 5, 14. Okay, 23. Okay, these type of numbers. Let's see what's coming for you. You have the Sun card coming. A lot of positivity coming for number 5 people in the next months to come. A lot of energetic things will be very happy for you. You will feel very happy, and you will also feel very maybe things will be as per plan for you. You might feel as if you are very feel like as if you are in your childhood days. Okay, maybe very happy and all this. So things will be really good for you in the next few months. So number 6, let's see what's coming for you. Number 6, you need to be a little cautious about your thought process, okay? And this can denote some kind of stress that you might be feeling for some of you, okay? Maybe the things that you think, maybe, and this can have, also the moon card also says that you might feel a little bit stressed out, which you might just express yourself during the night time, okay? So this can be the moon card, maybe some kind of stress, some kind of anxiety throughout the day you will experience, so you need to just release it out, okay? So this can be a little bit stressful for you, okay, but you can just release it out, okay? And this could be for some of you. Number 7, let's see what's coming for you. Number 7, the rest of the year will be quite fine. Things will be fast, things will happen fast for you. Your projects will complete faster, as you, it may be really very fast for you, okay? And finally you have number 8 and 9 coming. Let's see what's coming for number 8. Number 8 sign, people who are born on the month day which is 8. This is just more for the days, okay? So this can be coming. So again you'll be balancing two things, okay, which you may feel very burdened, but it will be like a balancing act for you, okay? Something where you might feel very not very happy, but you'll have to balance it out, okay? This can be for the number 8 people. And finally number 9 people, small changes coming in the workplace. You might have to adjust with those changes, some small things happening, some positive things coming, small adjustments and small projects coming for you in the month of next few months coming. Something you might want to start in your life also, some kind of work profile, okay? Maybe something you might start, okay? This can be for some of you. Finally the next few months will be really very happy and nice for you, okay? So I can see that all the cards seems to be good and productive for almost everybody, okay? So if you have any questions you can let me know, and you can always ask me about these readings, okay? Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye.